He's cheap, and he promises to fix all your problems overnight. But 3 months in, you realize he's unstable, toxic, and he might literally burn your house down. I am not talking about your ex. I am talking about this. The dropping lithium battery you bought because it was on sale. You think you found a deal. No, you found a liability. Your marketing calls it plug and play. In the industry, we just call it plug and play. Because just like a toxic relationship, the red flags were there from day one. You took a Thesis design in 1995 for that asset and you strapped an unregulated energy bomb to it. You wanted high speed. Oh, congratulations. Oh, you just forced a fire hose of energy through a garden hose of wiring. That's not passion. That's friction. And friction starts fires. Let's take a look at his resume now, shall we? Go find a continuous discharge rate on your battery. Can't find it? Oh, red flag. It's under 100 amps. Oh, red flags. If you're driving a lifted four-seater with a battery rated for a scooter, you are going to get stranded. The battery management system isn't going to save you. It's going to ghost you to save itself. Look, I love lithium when it's done right. It's marriage material, but this is Amazon special. This is a relationship that ends in a lawsuit now. Unfortunately, if you have one of these in your garage, break up with it before it takes the house with it. I am that serious on this one. Tell me in the comments, what's the worst red flag mod you ever brought? Did it break your heart? Or just your wallet? I am listening.